Welcome to this tutorial on how to connect an i2C LCD module to Arduino MEGA. This is the LCD display, and here there is so-called an i2C adapter. It allows us to use i2C bus to communicate with our Arduino. It consists of 4 pins: ground, power VCC 3.3 to 5 volts, SDA or serial data, SCL serial clock. Now, how to do the wiring? Here is our Arduino MEGA board, and here is our display. Let us connect first LCD ground pin to Arduino ground pin. Next, LCD VCC pin to Arduino 5 volts pin. Next, LCD serial data pin to Arduino SDA pin 20. And also LCD SCL to Arduino clock pin 21. This is how the real setup looks like. I will rearrange it a bit and connect our Arduino to my PC via USB cable. Next, I suggest installing Liquid Crystal i2C library. So go to Tools, Manage Libraries, wait a bit and search for Liquid Crystal i2C by Marco Schwarz and click on Install button and wait until finished. Open Liquid Crystal i2C Hello World sketch. So go to File, Examples, Liquid Crystal i2C and open Hello World sketch. Here, check that you have the LCD address set to 0x27. This is the default address. And you can modify the text to be displayed. The set cursor command basically locates cursor to a desired position. In this case, it is third character of the first display line. Lines of the display are counted from 0. We can write on the second line of the display this copy, and next upload the code to your Arduino and see the result. I hope this tutorial was useful. If you share my opinion, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.